Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Located in the quiet and peaceful community of Dunsinane, Hatfield, Manchester, is this 3,000 square feet, two-story property, which sits on a quarter acre or 11,105 square feet of land. This house is very spacious and has fruited backyard. You can find two bedrooms, one bathroom, kitchen, den or bonus room, two storage areas to keep all the seasonal items, and an in-unit laundry room, all on the ground floor. While upstairs has three bedrooms, two bathrooms, one ensuite, an entertainment room, and a balcony to the front with magnificent view of the mountains. The new owner can enjoy quality family time, looking out all over the mountains or relaxing in the private entertainment room on the property. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, water heater, grilled, fully fenced, view of the mountains, easy access to amenities, family oriented, quiet area, seniors oriented, paved road, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 28.5 million or US $185,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.